So I'm back with another tutorial. So this is how I made this long sleeve knit top. Let's go. So as usual, the pattern is going to be in my description. Once you download it and assemble it per the instructions, and you are going to get this. And so the pattern comes with two different kinds of sleeves. So there is a short sleeve and then there is a long sleeve. So you have to choose if you want to make a long sleeve top or a short sleeve top. So in this video, we're just going to make a long sleeve top. I am a size small, so I only needed 1 meter or 1 yard of knit fabric, and then I bought a matching thread. So I'm just going to put my fabric on. So this is not folded, this is just one layer. I'm just going to pin it. Always when you're sewing knit, you have to be careful when you're cutting. You don't stretch it while you're cutting, so you just stabilize the fabric whilst you cut it. So just cut. Let me know if you need any tips on how to sew knit. I didn't really include much tips on sewing knit in this video, but I did include it in my instructions, so please read it when you're sewing knit, because it's different from when you're sewing woven fabrics. It's a whole different ball game. So I cut the sleeves. The sleeves has to be cut in fold, so you're gonna get two pieces for the sleeves, and I'm gonna cut the neck, which is also like one piece, and that's that. This pattern is one of the easiest I've had to do. I think I spent less than 2 hours making everything, like assemble and putting it together, so it's pretty straightforward. So now these are the pieces that I have. You have to always remember to mark your notches. It's very important so that when you're putting the pieces together, you put them at the right side. So you see in the front pattern, there's a part that there's a zigzag. It means you're going to gather there, and there is a notch at the beginning of those zigzag and then the end of the zigzag, so you know exactly where you're going to do gathers. So I'm gonna just sew some basting stitch and then do my gathers on that side, and I am going to hem the top. So I'm gonna hem the bottom. I'm gonna show you the bottom and then the side, and I'm gonna also hem the back piece before I sew it. That's just my way of getting a cleaner finish. But you can do it your way. So there's also, I think you can find videos on how to hem knit on YouTube to watch. I didn't show any here, but then if you're gonna do it normally, you're gonna end up maybe having a wobbly hem. So just figure it out. If you have any question, you can ask me. So here I'm gonna join the two pieces together and making sure. So I use the best type of stitch to use to sew knit would be your knitting, so the zigzag stitch. In Africa, it's usually it's called the knitting machine. You can use that, which is basically a normal zigzag stitch. And so yeah, I'm gonna sew around there, but I'm gonna leave about 2.5 inches on that side where the gathers is. It's optional, you can leave it, but I feel like it's nice. And I'm gonna hem that remaining part, just and that's that. We're going to go to the sleeves. You have two sleeves, you're gonna fold it and then sew the sides, and that's basically it. Yep. So after sewing the sleeve, I'm going to join them. I'm going to just pin them and push it inside, so right sides face each other, and then I'm going to pin it. So when sewing knit, I feel one of the tips is to always use a lot of pins, pin it down before. So I switched to, I don't know what these things are called though. Who knows what they are called? Because they look like pegs, but I don't know what they're called. They've been very useful though. So this is the neck piece. I'm just gonna sew it together 1/2 inch. All the pattern is 1/2 inch, comes with 1/2 inch seam allowance. So just when you're sewing, every part is 1/2 inch. So I'm gonna sew the neckline just by putting this folds in half, and then because the neck usually would be smaller than, so then that neck piece is smaller than the actual neck piece, so you have to stretch the neck to join to fit the, I guess you know what I mean, but you stretch it to fit so that when you wear it, it lies flat on your skin. So I think that's basically it. Once you sew the neckline, you just have to hem the sleeves, and that's it. It's the same process if you're doing the short sleeve, just the same. So let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe. We are almost at the end of the video. Let me know in the comments if there are any other videos that you'd like me to make. And I hope you guys are all doing well, by the way. It's been a while. I hope you're all doing well. I hope to see you again soon. Thank you for watching the video till this point. And we are done. So I had a lot of fun making this. It was such a quick project, and I loved it. There were so many ways I could style it, and I hope you do it. Please share your creations with me. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.